I shot this video yesterday on my Air 2S. For some reason, the audio didn't come out, or it didn't come out right. So I don't know if it's something with the DJI mic or if it's just something I did, but I tried to salvage the video the best I can. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Zoom in and out. Circle medium. Circle close. This one is called Dronie. Circle far. Is pitch up and fly forward. This one is rocket. This one is camera down and circle. Next is camera straight and descend. And the last one is camera down and descend.